This cat is eating its dead kitten. It was strange to me, so I thought I'd take a video. This cat is eating its dead kitten. It didn't kill itself, but the kitten somehow died just today with the poor thing. And she threw it out first from the place where the other kittens were there. There was one more kitten. There is one more kitten rather. So she gave birth almost 3 weeks ago. But this poor chap somehow couldn't grow. The other one grew well in size, but this one remained same, rather deteriorated and passed away today. And look at the way the cat is eating it's up. It's already eaten one leg. Look at the face of the poor kitten. Cute. Look, it's eating its up. I can't see it further. Millie! 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 Millie, what are you doing? What are you doing? What the hell are you doing? Millie?